Hi kindergarten, and welcome back to Math Time with Miss Corey. We're here learning all about our coins and money. So far we've learned 3 coins. Who can tell me what those 3 coins are? I heard all of our coins. I heard penny, and how much is the penny worth? 1 cent, great job. I heard nickel, and how much is the nickel worth? 5 cents, great job. And yesterday we learned a new coin, which was called the dime, great job. And how much is our dime worth? 10 cents, great job. Let's review our dime poem. Here we go. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. One more time. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Great job. So kindergarten, we have made it to learning about our very last coin. So the last coin that we are going to learn about is the quarter. Can you say quarter? Quarter, very good. The quarter is our largest coin, and the quarter is worth the most. It has the largest value. The quarter is worth 25 cents. How much is it worth? 25 cents. So the quarter is worth 25 cents. Our quarter has George Washington on it, and I like to think of him as he has the long hair with the little bow at the back, okay? On the back of our quarter is our American symbol of the bald eagle. Okay, so we have the bald eagle on the back of our quarter, okay? Again, what is this called? Quarter. Great job. And how much is it worth? 25 cents. So let's look at our chart to review what Miss Corey just taught you. Our coin is called the quarter. The value is 25 cents. Our front is George Washington, and our back is the bald eagle. Okay, I'm going to leave this right here as we learn our poem for the quarter. Here we go. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Here we go. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Last time. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. So kindergarten, as we've learned with all of our coins, after we learn what the coin's name is and the value, we learn how to count our coins. And when we count coins, we count pennies by 1. So we're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. When we count dimes, we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, and so forth. And then when we count I said nickels for this, right? Nickel. When we count our dimes we count by 10. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, okay? These 3 coins are all ways we've learned how to count by a number. Count by 1s, 5s, and 10s. The quarter is a little trickier because the quarter is worth 25. We have to count by 25. But I'm going to show you a little bit of a trick, okay? So right here, I've counted by 25 for us. So when we count by 25, it's going to go 25, 50, 75, 100. Here we go. 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay? And if I notice, 25 is 1 quarter, 50 is 2 quarters, 75 is 3 quarters, and 100 is 4 quarters. But there's one big thing that happens. When we get to 100 cents, we don't say, I have 100 cents. We change it to $1. We say that I don't have 100 cents, but I have $1, okay? And dollar is written with an S and a line through it. You're also going to notice that you put the dollar sign in front of the number. We put the cent sign after the number, but we're going to put the dollar sign in front of the number, okay? So we're going to count 25, 50, 75, $1, okay? So with 4 quarters, I have $1. Okay? If I were to have more than 4 quarters, I would start saying I have $1.25. But we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Okay? So again, our quarter is worth more, and it's a little trickier to count by. Okay? Your work today is going to be the same. Okay? Option 1 is you can go and search for your quarters in your piggy banks. Once you find your quarters, you can practice counting them. And we're going to do a little bit more with counting them in a second. Okay? Your second option with your coins for today and your quarter is your worksheet. Okay? And your worksheet with counting your quarters. Okay? So, Ms. Corey said that I was going to show you a little bit of an extension about our quarters. Okay? So let's look at this. Okay? I'm going to bring this down so we can see. Okay? So, once I have more than 4 quarters, so 4 quarters, remember, equals $1. That's $1. If I were to have, though, 6 quarters, let's see how we could count them. We would go 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1. Now we would go $1.25, $1.50. So we would write that like this. We would go, oh, that was backwards. Oh no, that was right. $1, period, and then we would write our 50 cents. Okay, so $1.50. Okay, so that is just a little bit of an extension if you are ready for that. But our big job today is simply counting by our 25 cents and counting our quarters, okay? Great work today, kindergarten, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.